Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well and thanks for hanging out with me. As you guys can see, we have something a little bit different. Today the idea of the video is just to show you how the Fonzie RC spikes will mount on a Team Chase cage. So this is about a 5T with a Team Chase cage. I used to make those body pins a year ago, but for personal reasons I stopped making them. But now, since I've been working with Mike Taylor, they are available again. So I will leave a link on the description below. If you are in the UK or Europe, should I say it, you can get them straight from Mike Taylor's RC. And if you are in the US, you can get them from Detroit Performance RC. So this is quite straightforward. It's not really a rocket scientist to mount them. The front ones, as you guys can see, they will mount there. There is a hole in there, so you use a standard body pin, body clip, should I say it. I did use a little pulling tab, so it makes it easier for myself to pull them out. The sides, we changed the design slightly, if anything for the better. I used to make it with just one pinhole, but you could only fit them where I actually fitted mine, just there. But now we changed that and we added a second pinhole, so you're going to have another pinhole just there. So in a way, it kind of makes it easier. Depends which way you want to fit it realistically. Like I said again, a little pulling tab. Personally, I find it easier to fit it from the bottom and on the pulling tab, so it makes it easier for you to remove it. And same thing there, which, let's be honest, is a pain in the butt to actually get that one in there, but having a second pinhole in there, it makes your life a little bit easier. Same thing on the exhaust side. The rear ones, they will mount just there, fit it from the top, and then you screw it from the bottom. And I don't have them because I don't have a Barsha bar. I mean, I could use them without a Barsha bar, but I want to use a wing. And the way they are made, I can't use this type of wing because of the bevels there. So it's fine, I don't have them there, but I got it elsewhere. Got different ones. Anyway, so they will mount in there. And if you guys have a Barsha bar, there's no issue whatsoever. They still mount on the Barsha bar with no problems. So, as I said, I will leave the links down below in the description. They are available in the UK through Mike Taylor's and in the US through Detroit Performance. And before I forget, you don't have to buy a full set. You don't have to buy 8 pins. You can either just buy the sides, which will be 4. You can just buy the front, or you could even buy the rear, which I don't have, by the way, but you could just get whatever you want. So you don't have to fork out for a full set of 8 body pins. So the choices are there, the options are there if you guys want a full set or a half set, whatever. Yeah, go check them out, guys, and let us know what you think of it, and I'll catch you on the next one.